Are you having problems with your transmission? If so, you've come to the right place. If your vehicle is slipping gears, leaking transmission fluid, making weird or unusual noises, having problems shifting gears, etc., we can help fix your transmission problem, small or large. We know it's not easy to find an affordable repair shop that puts customer satisfaction at the top of their lists. For this reason, we've taken the initiative to bring forth to you the best of quality transmission repair services at affordable prices to make your experience easy, stress-free, and enjoyable. We are transmission specialists. We perform transmission diagnostics, repairs, rebuilds, and replacements. Don't ignore your transmission problems. What are you waiting for? Call us now.